A single fully automated operating program processes blood collected from the surgical site. The AutoLog's continuous software monitoring improves the quality of the end product and the speed of processing. The AutoLog is designed to consistently produce a high-quality blood product. The AutoLog consists of a wheelbase, cabinet, and console. The parts of the cabinet include the power switch, vacuum switch, reservoir holder, reservoir bracket, and vacuum outlet connector. The parts of the console are the valve lever, clamp valve head, clamp valve cover, IV mast and pole, centrifuge chamber, centrifuge notches, waste bag holding pins, go key, stop key, control panel display, function key, incrementation key, pump lever groove, pump outlet tubing guide, pump head air detector guide, and pump lever. To begin setup of the AutoLog, attach the power cord to the back of the cabinet and plug the cord into a wall outlet. If using the optional VR702 vacuum regulator, connect suction tubing from the vacuum outlet connector port on the back panel of the AutoLog cabinet to the vacuum regulator. Remove the collection reservoir from its package. Remove the step-down connector that is taped to the side of the collection reservoir. Close the clamp on the step-down connector and remove the cap on the large end of the step-down connector and attach to the lower outlet port of the reservoir. Place the reservoir and step-down connector into the reservoir holder on the side of the machine. Remove the vacuum line from its package. Connect one end of the vacuum line to the vacuum outlet connector of the vacuum regulator. Attach the other end to the yellow-capped vacuum port on the collection reservoir. Hang the anticoagulant solution on the upper IV pole. Attach the blue-capped end of the suction anticoagulant line to either the blue or the white inlet port of the reservoir. There are two inlet ports available to accommodate multiple suction lines. Close the roller clamp on the suction anticoagulant line. If the anticoagulant container is non-vented, open the vent cover on the drip chamber. Next, spike the anticoagulant solution. Then, open the roller clamp on the anticoagulant line. Turn on the vacuum as shown. Prime the reservoir with approximately 150 to 200 milliliters of anticoagulant. Reduce anticoagulant flow to a ratio of approximately 15 milliliters of solution to 100 milliliters of whole blood collected. Turn AutoLog power on. The machine will display "Kit not installed. Lock centrifuge cover." Blood collection may now begin. If blood collection is not going to start immediately, within 5 to 10 minutes, the anticoagulant flow may be stopped. Be sure to restart the anticoagulant solution prior to the collection of blood. Set the vacuum gauge to approximately 120 millimeters mercury and no higher than 200 millimeters mercury. Vacuum levels exceeding 200 millimeters mercury may cause hemolysis. Important to note, the American Association of Blood Banks recommends setting the vacuum at a level of 200 millimeters mercury or below for optimal red blood cell recovery.